we were asked to find the derivative of this function. So the first thing you notice is that we are going to use quotient rule, but we also have chain rules embedded in it. So what we are just going to do, we are going to select u be equals to 2x plus 1 power 5, okay? And u prime will be, this is going to be 10 multiplied by 2x plus 1 power 4. So this is chain rule. What did we do? You find the derivative of the inner function, and the derivative of this is what? Is 2. Then you now find the derivative of the entire function, which is 5, which is 2 multiplied by 5, and that is what gave us 10. Okay? So we also say v equals, this is x squared plus 1 raised to power 1 over 2. Now for v prime, so the derivative of this function is 2x. They are multiplied by the entire derivative, with 1 over 2. We now have x squared plus 1 raised to power negative 1 over 2. Remember, we are subtracting 1 from the power. This can give rise to, v prime can give rise to, this will cancel this. You have x multiplied by x squared plus 1 to the power of negative 1 over 2. So this is the same thing as x over square root of x squared plus 1. So it's still the same thing. So let's now apply it. Let's apply our quotient rule. Remember our quotient rule. Please watch the other video, you understand. So we have y prime will now be equals to, okay, so let's apply it to our quotient rule. So the y, the x, we have u over v will now be equals to v multiplied by u prime minus u multiplied by v prime over v squared. So let's apply that. So we now say y will now be equals to, what's our v? V is this. V is, let's say, square root of x squared plus 1. Then multiply by u prime. U prime is 10. Multiply by 10, 2x plus 1 power 4. Then minus, right? U. So u is 2x plus 1 power 5. Remember they are together. Then multiply by v prime. And these are v prime. Multiply by x to the power of x squared plus 1. Then everything over v. What's our v? So v is square root of x squared plus 1 squared. So we can easily simplify this. So we can say y prime will now be square root of x squared plus 1, then multiply by 10, 2x plus 1 power 4 minus 2x plus 1 power 5 multiplied by x over x squared plus 1, then everything here over x squared plus 1. So you can still simplify this further, but if you stop here, it's not that bad. So we are going to have this here. Okay, so you can still simplify them further by finding the common factors among those terms. So, and that's how to do it.